Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Walmart Plus membership? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Walmart application. And once you've done that, all you need to do is on the right hand side of your screen, on the bottom, there's going to be your account tab right over here. Simply go ahead and click on that. And then there's going to be Walmart Plus membership subscriptions and plans button right over here. Simply go ahead and click on that and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. Now, as you can see, you can also get Walmart Plus Student, Walmart Plus Assist to get a 50% off on the membership, right? Which is going to be $49 a year or $6.47 a month. However, all you need to do is simply scroll all the way down, click on claim your free 30 days trial. You'll get a free 30 days trial and then you'll have to go ahead and pay $8.17 per month after the trial. And that is about it. Once you get the Walmart Plus subscription, you get a lot of different things like free delivery, free shipping, free pharmacy delivery, gas savings, Burger King savings, 5% cash back on credit cards, free online pet care, auto care savings, up to 5% cash for travel, and many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.